In this lecture, we will study about the load combinations. To study load combination, we need to go to define load combinations. Here you will find the load combination window. We have two options here. Either we can add the new combo or we can add default design combos as per your country requirements. When we left click on add new combo, load combination data window will open. On the top, you can name the load combination. Below that, you can add the combination type, that is whether it is linear add, envelope, absolute add, sum of root of sum of squares, or range add. So here we can add the different type of load combinations. For example, if you want to add dead plus live, dead let it be 1.2, live 1.6. When we left click on OK option, comp1 is defined. To modify this load combination at any stage of time, we can just left click on modify show combo. Here that load combination data window will open again so that we can modify the defined load combination as per our requirement. Similarly, if we want to add default design combos, what exactly it will ask is that whether we want to add steel frame design, composite beam design, concrete frame design, concrete shear wall design, concrete slab design. And in the last option, that is if user wants to add the default load combinations with the editable option. This option we will discuss later. At this stage, if we want to add concrete frame design, when we left click on OK, these default design load combinations are formed. Please notice that the code which governs these load combinations can be checked from here. For example, if we go to design, concrete frame design, we revise preference. So at this stage, ACI 31814 is selected. So these load combinations will be made as per the American standards. If we see here that 1.2 times dead plus super dead plus 1 time live, all these are American load combinations. Notice that these load combinations are not editable, and here it is also written that auto combination, yes, not editable. Let us take an example where we delete all these load combinations and then we again add default design combos with the user combination editable text. So when we left click here on concrete frame design, we left click on OK option, these load combinations are formed, and then when we left click on modify show combo, then we can enter these values here. That is, these load combinations are now editable. So the major difference between getting this option ticked and getting this option unticked is that if we don't tick this option, we cannot modify the load combinations. If we tick this option, we can modify the load combinations. Similarly, if our structure is of concrete, then only we can add concrete frame design or concrete shear wall and concrete slab design. If our structure is a steel frame design, then we need to select steel frame design. We left click on OK option. So to close this window, we just left click on OK button.